YouTube, it's Gottigix back with another video, and today what we're doing is we're changing out the LED lights, or well, we're changing out the stock lights for LEDs and the parking light for color changing parking lights, right? So we got them here, both bought off of eBay. So I just wanted to basically show you how to put those on, right? And then we can kind of go from there. So first things first, let me bring the light over real quick. Okay, so when you're in there, you got a little plug here, and then you've got a cap. So you just want to unscrew this cap here, right? Once you've unscrewed the cap, you then should be able to press in here. Oh, it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but you're just gonna want to press in here on this plug to unplug it. Should just pull right out. One second. Okay, so this plug will come right out. See, focus, it'll unplug right out. And you've got two little springs here, right? You're gonna want to push those in and then out so you can go over this. I'm gonna do that real quick so I can take the light out. Okay, so that is the old one. As you can see, this is the new one, right? And you wanna make sure when you put it in that you have the tab facing up, like that, right? So it'll just go right in there. If we move this stuff out of the way, this you'll just put, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but this plug should just go right in there. Then once it actually seats, you can put the metal back over it. It's just gonna go over and around. I'm gonna do that real quick because it's kind of hard to, well, yeah, we'll do that real quick. It's hard to get on camera. Okay, so I got the LED headlight part is in. Now, for the second part, which is the parking light, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get out. So you just pull on the wires down here to pull them out. You're gonna kind of have to finagle it a little bit, but the parking light is this little one down here. You can see the LED one's already in there. But the top one, you're just gonna pull right out, and then this bulb will just come right out. You just pull it out. Let me see if I can, there we go. Yeah, see, super simple. It just comes out just like that. Then we're gonna put the new one in, which the new one actually comes with a couple remotes. One second. So this is the new one. You can change the color on it, and that's the LED part. It's just gonna go clicked right in there, just like the old one did. So show you guys real quick. It'll click right inside. Okay, so now they're both in there. You can see like the red LED there, and the headlight is there. This side is the normal side. So I'll show you real quick. Quick difference. This one I guess is automatically set to purple when you get it. And then you've got the stock lights here. You won't be able to see the actual headlight itself until we go outside to actually turn it on. But that's just a quick example of how it looks. And I should be able to change the color in theory if I just click it. Let's see here. Let's try orange. I don't know if you've got to turn this on maybe. Then we'll try blue. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But that's the difference there. You're gonna repeat the same process on this side. It's the same process. Remove the cap, take the LED out, take the parking light out, replace it. That's all you gotta do for these. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then afterward, I'll take this thing outside so we can see a better look at it. Alrighty, so here's the verdict. I broke the other LED bulb, but the good news is it still looks cool. Like with the purple and the white, I think it looks kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe gaslighting myself because I'm the one that broke the bulb, but that's okay. So I'm gonna leave it like this for now because I like it. I'm just gonna convince myself that I think this looks sick and better than anything else. Don't ever try to change that parking bulb. It is so bad. I couldn't get it. Just do what I did and look cool with one side. But yeah, that's the way it looks. And then with it running, with both, you can see it's really bright. So it's a lot better than the LED bulbs. But yeah, just want to say thank you guys for watching. Tune in for another video. And until next time.